Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is MD Todil Islam. My ID last three digit 127. Today's my presentation topic is Standard Protector Test. Introduction. Standard Protector Test determine optimal moisture content (OMC), maximum dry density (MDD), widely used in semi-technical engineering. Objective: find OMC for soil, determine MDD, understand relationship between moisture and density. Apparatus: Proctor mold 1000 cc, Rammer 2.5 kg, 305 drop, balance, oven, straight edge, mixing tray. Next, procedure: 1. Collect and prepare soil sample. 2. Add water and mix thoroughly. 3. Compact in 3 layer with 25 BLEUs each. 4. Weight and calculate bulk density. 5. When dry sample to find moisture content. 6. Repeat for different moisture levels. Next, calculation. Bulk density equal to mass by volume. Dry density equal to bulk density by 1 plus moisture content. Plot density versus moisture content. Identify OMC and MDT. Graph and result. MDT equal to peak of curve. OMC equal to moisture at maximum dry density. Curve equal to pi. Topical bell shaped. Conclusion: Standard protector tails help design stable earth structure. Give critical compaction parameters for fieldwork. Thank you, everyone.